By the end of this video, you will know how to test your Shopify checkout without using real money. Awat Tendinant, start in your Shopify admin where you are already signed in. In the bottom left corner, click Settings to open the store configuration options. From that menu, choose Payments. This takes you to the area where your store payment methods are managed, including the option to add or switch a payment provider for testing. In the Payments section, find the area for adding or choosing a payment provider. Search for Bogus Gateway and select the option marked for testing. This is the provider Shopify uses to simulate checkout results without charging a real card. Once it appears as your selected provider, click Activate so the test gateway is enabled for the store. After that, open your Shopify storefront in a new tab or return to it if it is already open. Add a product to the cart, then move into the checkout flow by clicking Checkout. Enter the required customer details and delivery information exactly as the checkout form requests. Use generic test details where needed and complete each required field so you can continue to the payment section. When you reach payment, you can simulate different outcomes by using specific values in the credit card number field. For a successful transaction, enter one as the card number, then fill in the rest of the required payment fields so the form is complete. The additional fields still need entries even though this is only a test transaction. Submit the order and wait for Shopify to process it. If the test is set up correctly, the order will go through as a successful transaction. To check other payment outcomes, repeat the checkout and change only the card number value at the payment step. Enter 2 in the credit card number field to simulate a declined transaction. Enter 3 to simulate a gateway failure. These test values let you confirm how your checkout responds to different payment results, including what the customer sees and what Shopify records when the payment does not go through. Once you have submitted the test orders you want to review, return to your Shopify admin and open the order area to look at the results. Review the successful order and any failed test attempts to confirm that the checkout behaved the way you expected. Pay attention to the payment status attached to each result so you can verify that the bogus gateway produced the correct outcome for each test. Thanks for watching. Your Shopify checkout has now been tested with the bogus gateway, and the results have been confirmed in your admin.